I just wanted to touch base. I actually think about my liver a lot, and I worry about my liver. I take a lot of pain medication for headaches. I get a lot of headaches. And so I'm always worried that I'm overloading my liver. You're saying that with doing the Qigong practices that you're teaching us, I don't have to worry. I don't have to think about anything. Just gather my qi, and that'll be all I need to nourish my liver and keep it healthy. Is that what you're saying?
Yes. The first answer is yes. The second one, I will strongly recommend you, if you're under a lot of headache, next time you have to thinking, I don't have a headache. Who is your headache? What is your headache? Your headache is the mirror of the outside. Is object or is a subject? Is a person or is a things, right? You don't have a headache. You just received something make you headache. Think of this. Yeah, you make yourself a headache. Then why you want to make yourself a headache and someone happy or something still become that you continue pop the medication to destroy your liver function and you think I'm suffering the headache.
But it works. The medication works.
Yes, because you turn off the TV doesn't mean the program not continues. You just doesn't want to see. And the problem still there. You deny the headache. Now sooner or later, I'm telling you, you better deal with that. Sooner or later, they are not go to your head anymore, and then goes to the body would be worse. Goes to the head, still most likely is an emotional level. Still is at the emotional level, at the invisible level, right? So therefore go to the head. It's emotional, it's headache. You don't have a tumor, right? You don't have a blood clot. So therefore, it's just a headache. Comes, goes, right? It's based on your perception, based on your receive. So you change it this way, try to understand that way, understand what things is my headache. Then you'll be able to deal with it later. Then you deal, oh, it's that things is causing my headache. Can I change? You cannot change it outside, but you can change yourself, right? You can change yourself. Then you can be flexible a little bit. Because if you're not flexible, then definitely you push each other, you get a headache.
Because it feels like.
Yes, you got a headache, you be flexible, right? The circle make you smooth out. I'm circle you out. Think of this. Next time you get a headache, you will think, I'm circle the headache out, right? So instead of say, I'm pop the pill, yes, then you don't want to see that. And sooner or later, I'm telling you, this kind of headache wouldn't go to the head, will go to the body. Because the body become more real. You have to deal with it. Right? The liver is invisible and visible. Right now, the liver only show at the invisible level, become visible level at your head. But if you're not recognized, then the visible events will create much bigger. Maybe turn to the joint. Right? Maybe turn to the other area. Deal with it. So right now, still is easy to deal because most likely the headache is at the emotional level, not turn to the physical level. You are not have joint pain. You understand? The joint is a more materialized. Right now, still is the non-materialized, but at the materialized way.
So the circles and the breathing?
Yeah, that can help you, but the most to help you, you still need to reckon that just make you stronger. You can handle the more headache. I don't want that you become that way, right? I want that you get rid of the headache and the headache never come to you. That is your goal. You have to thinking that you should set up the goal. I want the drug free. I want headache free.
Thank you.